I'm Billy Mello, co-founder of Life, a Berlin-based startup. Let me start this presentation with a question. What does Michael Phelps, Serena Williams, and Oscar de la Hoya have in common? Apart from being the top athletes in the sports, the three of them suffer from some kind of mental health problems. Nowadays, due to COVID and all the pressure to perform, 33% of the athletes in the world suffer from some kind of mental health problems, such as depression, anxiety, or insomnia. And on top of this, it also costs time and money for both athletes and their sports clubs or associations. And the same percentage applies to the world population. Mental health problems cost $1 trillion in 2019. And now with COVID, it is even worse. In Qatar, it's no different. A survey says that 77% of the people of Qatar are aware of mental health problems in the country. But how can we motivate and relieve this pressure from the athletes? Let me tell you, with music. And that's where Life comes in. At Life, we motivate and relieve mental and physical problems for athletes by delivering the right music at the right moment, generated by themselves. And science backs us in this. According to various research from universities all over the world, music helps people relieve mental and physical problems. A study from a medical advisor says that sound improves sleep quality and the post-sleep state of athletes. And when you're listening to Life for relaxation purposes, you get a 95% activity reduction and a 194% calm increase compared to listening to regular songs. This data is essential. The data provides us with multiple information coming directly from the athletes so we can analyze and instantly deliver music. Now let's talk about the music from Life. If data and science are rational, music is entirely emotional. I've been in the music business for more than 30 years, and I've personally seen how music and the emotion that it creates can actually save lives. And to create this emotion is our magic. And it works in 3 steps: music, voice messages, and brainwave entrainment. At first, we gather data from the athlete, and our machine learning system delivers generated music or integrated music from Spotify or Apple into Life. You can have a relaxation session with generated music or a pre-training session listening to Beyoncé, for example. Then comes the voice messages. Life provides AI-generated voice messages in 4 languages, so we can help athletes achieve their goals in the proper way. And third, under everything and most important, comes the brainwave entrainment, which is a method to stimulate our brains into entering specific states through sound frequencies. When we gather everything and deliver this through Life, we are focusing on performance enhancement and mental problems relief for athletes. But we can go even further. For that, we have a 2-step business model. First, we will deliver our eHealth app with premium subscriptions, in-app purchases, and sponsored contents. And second, we will create our AI music label with focus on athletes' well-being and deliver this to music platforms to generate content, revenue, raise awareness, and build a community. In total, we are into a massive market of more than $22 billion per year, and we intend to get at least 3% of this. Our competitors are there and prove that this is a high-value market, but Life delivers more. Life delivers real-time AI music with brainwave entrainment, backed by specialists in science and integrated with all wearables in the market. Our MVP is fully working, and you can test with me after the presentation. But more, we have a patent-pending technology, we are talking to Apple and Spotify for this music integration, and we're testing with beta users who are giving us great feedback. We are the perfect team to deliver, from musicians and tech specialists to doctors and wearables experts, with a combined experience of more than 214 years. It is a Jurassic but amazing team, I can definitely tell you that. We believe that mental health problems are underestimated in sports business, and we want to help athletes get instant and long-term relief from this, with science, data, and music. Thank you very much.